Okay. Now, what I wanted to show you is, I wanted to show you that I could drop things. I went and I cut me a piece of, we're going to make him into a traveling salesman. I cut me a piece of 1/2 inch basswood. This is 1 1/4. No, this is 1 3/8 inches long by 1 1/4 inches wide. It's 1 3/8 long, 1 1/4 inches in width. And that's going to be our little suitcase here. Alright? Okay. Now, what we're going to do, let me show you real quick. I got me a little Dremel here with a little, you take the hand and come to the very end over here and you just drill a little hole through there. Very slowly. Just like that. Okay. Now you get you a piece of wire. This is just all this is actually this is weed eater thread is all it is. Just take you a piece of that or whatever and run it through here. Okay? Then bend it and cut you some little holes in the top of your, just bend it the way you want it. Then see how it fits on there like that. Now drill you a couple little holes and just fit those inside there, and you've got your little suitcase. See that? Now you can do this with wire. You can take a piece of wire or a piece of string. It doesn't matter. This is, like I said, I just found this out there. I'll probably get me a piece of wire. But you just take that, kind of get it even here, drill you a couple of holes, measure that where it comes, drill you a couple of holes, and fit that inside there, and you've got your little suitcase just like that. Real simple. Nothing to it. See? Just as simple as that. Now what I want us to do to end this project is I want to take my V-tool and just make a little bit of hair on the dog. Just hit it kind of like this. Just kind of not real heavy, just light. Just kind of give it a, see that? Just kind of give it the look that it has. Lightly, not strong cuts, just very lightly hit it with the V-tool to just kind of give it that hair. See, just like that. Come up in here. Like I said, just hit it lightly. Don't, just kind of the indication that it's of the hair. Okay, now come down here. Once you get your holes drilled, then you can come down here, make your little paws. Like this. But get your hole drilled first, okay? Because it might get kind of thin in there. There we go. Just very lightly with the V-tool. Not strong, just very lightly. And there you go. And you just take that, come down with it like that, get it even, come down with it. Drill you a couple of little holes there and glue those inside there. And look at that. You've got your little trap. And put on the side of this, we may put right, you know, kind of right on the side of it, or burn something on the side of it, dog biscuits or whatever. But that would be a cute little, he's a little traveling salesman dog is what he is. And that's going to be cute. Okay, well that's our little project. That's how you do it. And remember, this is 1 3/8 by 1 1/4. Okay? And that's our little traveling. Like I said, if you got a little wood burner, burn little dog biscuits or something like that, or dog food, or you know, something that a dog would be selling, or whatever it is. You know, maybe catnip, whatever. Or you could put cat exterminator or something like that on it, something cute. But anyway, we'll end up painting this thing, and I'll clean him up. But once again, there he is. Okay, God bless you now. And that's the way you do it.